Hey everyone, if your Discord voice chat is not working, like no sound, robotic audio, or you can't connect to voice channels in 2026, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix Discord voice chat problems. First, check your microphone and input device. Make sure the correct mic is selected in Discord settings under voice and video. Next, reset your voice settings. This often fixes common audio glitches instantly. Now check the voice region of your server. The wrong region or overloaded servers can cause lag or connection issues. After that, make sure you have proper permissions. You need both connect and speak permissions in the voice channel. Next, check noise suppression, echo cancellation, and auto gain settings. Sometimes these features cause audio problems if misconfigured. Also, check your internet connection. Weak or unstable. Wi-Fi can lead to lag, echo, or disconnects. Finally, update or reinstall Discord. Outdated versions often cause voice chat bugs and performance issues. So yeah, that's how you fix Discord voice chat problems in 2026. Follow each step carefully and your voice should work smoothly again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Discord tutorials for fast and easy fixes. Hey everyone.